Namaskar. We all experience different type of pains in our day-to-day living, from headache after a long day at work to muscle soreness from intensive workout. Pain is common part of life. Even if simplest activity done for a longer duration or sleeping in the wrong position can cause pain, discomfort. Most of us must have experienced some type of pain, back pain, joint pains, toothaches, menstrual cramps, stomach pain, or eye strain at some time. These common pain can affect anyone at any time. Today I am going to tell you about 7 natural herbs which will relieve you from these types of pain. First superb herb for pain is turmeric. Turmeric particularly is very good for joint pain and arthritis. Turmeric has active compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property. For targeted pain relief, you can take in a glass of milk small teaspoonful of turmeric powder in it. Add a pinch of black pepper also into it. Have this daily at night before going to bed. Next pain relief herb is lemon. Lemon has many antibacterial and anti-inflammatory property. You can use this when you have muscle pain, muscle soreness, or a gentle cuts on your body. What you have to do is take some mustard oil and heat it till the smell goes away. Wait for oil to cool to come to a lukewarm temperature. Now slice lemon into two, take one half and dip it into a heated mustard oil and massage it over the muscles which are hurting or over your cuts. Within a day, your body will heal by itself. The third type of pain which can heal using herb is pain from menstrual cramps and migraine. The herb that can heal this pain is ginger. It works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory compounds and can be particularly most effective for menstrual pain, migraine, and muscle soreness. All you have to do is to make some warm ginger tea by boiling fresh ginger slices in water till the water becomes golden. Next herb is Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha can help in headache or emotional stress. Ashwagandha or Indian ginseng helps the body cope with stress. It is also useful for reducing muscle pain, joint pains, and inflammation. It is particularly useful for individuals suffering from arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. All you need to do is mix some ashwagandha powder in milk and take it. You can add honey in that. Don't consume anything half an hour before or after you drink this. Next is for all those of you who suffer from back pain. There is a herb called as Nirgundi, which is a traditional Indian herb that can give you a lot of relief from back pain. It has powerful anti-inflammatory and muscle relaxing property, which makes it excellent for pain management. Apply Nirgundi oil or paste on the affected area and massage it gently on the painful area. The next herb is clove, which has been used traditionally to take care of toothache and gum ache. Its active ingredient called eugenol has both anesthetic and anti-inflammatory property, making it highly effective for oral pain. Apply a small amount of clove oil on a cotton ball and place it on the affected tooth or gum area. Alternatively, you can chew one whole clove for similar relief. And the 7th and final herb is for all those of you who suffer from headache. The herb I am talking about is lavender. Lavender is known for its calming property, but it also has pain relief as the additional benefit. It is particularly effective on headache, migraine, and muscle pain. Lavender's essential oil can be inhaled, applied topically, or added to a warm bath. For headaches, try massaging few drops of diluted lavender oil on the temples. So here are those 7 natural herbs to give you relief from different types of pains that we experience sometimes. Combine herbal remedies with other natural practices such as yoga, meditation, and a balanced diet to achieve whatever you need to achieve. Consistent practice of yogasana can improve flexibility and reduce pain, while meditation helps to calm the mind and reduce stress. Nature has given us valuable gifts of natural herbs to heal pain and care for our body. But with times we have become ignorant about the knowledge of these herbs. It is time to remember our roots and go back to natural way of healing, relieving pain in our body. Remember, the key lies understanding and respecting your body's natural language and nurturing with the gift of nature. Namaskar.